everybody, welcome back to V's World. If you enjoy travel, nature and family adventures, you're in the right place. What if I told you one of St. John's best family attractions is completely free? Yes, you heard that right. Today we are exploring Salmonier Nature Park, where you can get up close with native wildlife in their natural surroundings. Salmonier Nature Park is located about an hour's drive southwest of St. John's and is one of the best places to learn about Newfoundland and Labrador's native wildlife. The park features a peaceful 3-kilometer walking trail that winds through forests, ponds, and wetlands. Along the way, you'll find spacious animal enclosures that recreate each species' natural habitat. It's a great destination for families with young children, nature lovers, photographers, and anyone looking for a relaxing day outdoors. The trails are wheelchair and stroller accessible. There are clean washroom facilities, picnic areas, and an interpretation center where you can learn more about the province's wildlife and conservation efforts. Now let's head out on the trail and see who we can spot. One of the unique things about Salmonier Nature Park is that animals here are native to Newfoundland and Labrador. Many have been rescued or are unable to survive in the wild, giving visitors a rare opportunity to see them up close while learning about their habitats. Keep an eye out for moose, caribou, foxes, wolves, owls, and many other fascinating animals that call this province home. As we walk through the park, take a moment to enjoy the peaceful surroundings. The forest is filled with native trees, wild plants, ponds, and wetlands that provide food and shelter for many different species. If you're visiting during the warmer months, bring comfortable walking shoes, a good camera, water, and a picnic lunch. There are plenty of peaceful spots to relax and enjoy the surroundings. And here's one of the best parts. Admission to Salmonier Nature Park is absolutely free, making it one of the best value family attractions in Newfoundland and Labrador. A little tip. We visited the park around midday on a warm, sunny day. Because of the heat, many of the animals were taking it easy in the shade or resting in their shelters. So we weren't able to spot a lot of them. If you're hoping to see the animals at their most active, try visiting earlier in the morning or later in the afternoon when the weather is cooler. Whether you're visiting with family, traveling across Newfoundland, or simply looking for a peaceful day in nature, Salmonier Nature Park is definitely worth the visit. Thanks so much for exploring with us today. If you enjoyed this adventure, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to V's World for more family adventures, hidden gems, and beautiful places. Until next time, keep exploring, keep making memories, and we will see you in the next adventure. Take care, bye-bye.